vacations haul. So I shopped a bit for my vacations. I'm going to vacations and I needed something. I mean some pretty small random things. So I thought let's just go and shop. So I'll show you my vacations haul and let's get started. Nothing else to say. So I went to shopping for 2 days. Like one day I went to Karol Bagh and Tilak Nagar and the other day I went to Rajouri. So I'll show you my clothes or whatever I brought day wise. Okay, so let's get started with the first day I went to West Side and I'm gonna show you my stuff from West Side. So the first thing which I bought is this really cute crop top from there. This is a really nice blue colored crop top and it has pretty much random things written on it. Not really short but pretty nice long one, and this was for $3.99. Actually it was for $5.99 but I got it on discount for $3.99, so that was awesome. Now the next thing which I bought was what is happening to my English, this really cute sleepy shorts for my nightwear. Wait, let me just see the tag. Yeah, these were just for $2.99. That means 300 and awesome. So then I brought these palazzo pants. I don't know what to call them because I call them palazzo pants. These are really in pant shape and really cute palazzos in soft stuff, and I thought that would be good to wear in summers, so I bought it, and these were for $5.99. so that was it. And I brought some makeup stuff, and in makeup stuff, first of all I bought this mascara, and all my makeup stuff I bought from Impressions in Karol Bagh, and just Impressions is like just in front of K-Love. There's like a small shop and that's Impressions. He's the best makeup, he had the best makeup collection going on, so he has the best makeup collection, so just once you should go and try. So this is Hyper Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara, and it has this pink worn and blackish this color, and I don't remember the price. This was for 200 or 210 I guess. So that was it. Then I bought this Miss Claire matte lip cream, soft matte lip cream, and I'm in the shade 15A, and this is like the awesome lip gloss. It has really nice pinkish color. I just watched it just to see. I actually opened all my makeup. I couldn't keep it closed, so that is the swatch. Then I bought the last thing which I bought. This was for just 150 rupees and such a nice quality. It doesn't really come on my finger for this swatch, so it's nice. Then I bought this Hyper Matte Maybelline liquid liner, and this is also from Maybelline. And I actually have the Hyper Gloss one, but I wanted a matte, so I thought why not get the Maybelline Hyper, because it dries really soon and it is really good quality liner, and it suits me well, so I thought let's just get this. This was for 300 rupees. Actually the MRP is 325, but he gave me for 300. I thought he'd give me a white eyeliner, but why would he give me a white eyeliner? Then I just read it and it was black. So that's it for my makeup stuff. I actually now from Tilak Nagar I just bought one thing. I went with my mom, so She was shopping, but I didn't shop much. So I bought this really nice lip color. This is a nude lip color. I cannot swatch it more on my hand because my hand is exactly this color. It just come one shade lighter from it, like this shade, and I'm in the shade 232. Why can't they keep names for shade like a new light nude or something like that? It's really awesome nude color. And this company is like Glamcom matte lipstick. I've never heard of this company, but I swatched it and I felt this was nice, so I thought just get it. And this was for 300 rupees, and really awesome lip color. I am just wearing it right now, if you can see. This from Manneet store, and it's in Tilak Nagar. So that's it for like the day 1 haul. Okay, so I'm showing you now my day 2 vlog. So I mean my day 2 haul. So in my day 2 haul, I shopped for, like, the first thing which I shopped for, these really cute shorts. These are red color shorts, and it has reindeers on it. And this was just from 100. I bought it from the side stalls in Rajouri. Then I went to a night collection shop named Secrets Double M. I think Secret M or Secret Double M. I don't know what it was written. So it has really cute night suit collections. I actually just wore it once, so it's opened. This is really cute minion night suit, and with these really cute pajamas. Sorry for that. These also have the minion print going on. I bought this night suit for I bought this night suit for 1099, and that's it for my night suit. I mean, that's it for the clothing. Then I bought one really cute footwears from Kins in Rajouri Garden. So they had really nice collection. I bought this silver color sneakers, or I don't know what to say, shoes, maybe shoes. So I bought these really cute silver color shoes from there. These were just for 499 and really cute one, so I loved it. And that's it for my haul. I think I didn't left anything. So that's it for my haul, guys, and we'll meet next time in my next video. And guys, please do subscribe to my video. If you like all my stuff, please like my video also. And that's it. So bye guys, lots of love. Hey guys, I'm at Taj Mahal. I'm so excited. I couldn't do the whole vlog, but this is like just the Taj Mahal visit. See, this is Taj Mahal. It's really beautiful. I so much remember that song. Suno na Sangamar ki ye diware. Sorry, Minari. I just forgot that song. But I don't remember the lines, but yeah, the song. See, now I'll show you the view behind Taj Mahal.